So let us go for the seventh problem for Poisson distribution. So here we are having a factory produces items with 1% of defective rate. So basically we can consider one factory is there that produces what 1% of defective items in a lot of 100 items. So in a lot of 100 items, it will be producing what 1% of it will be defective. Find the probability that exactly two items are defective. So this is a scenario where we have already done one problem, wherein this is basically the binomial distribution, where we can say that n is nothing but the number of items we are having, total number of items we are having. So total number of items we can say it is 100, it is given, and p is the probability of these items being what the defective ones. So probability of the defective ones, which is equal to 1 percentage 1 by 100, which is equal to 0.01. So this is n and p. Okay, so this particular thing we have to convert into what the Poisson distribution. So in order to convert, basically what we need in the Poisson distribution, we have the formula of what probability e power minus mu into mu power x divided by x factorial. X is basically the event over here. What is the event here? So what we are having, mu x is the, so x will be what equal to 2, because they are asking the two items are defective. How many exactly two items are defective? Let us leave that part. First, we have to focus on mu. Mu is basically the mean or the average of number of events occurring. Here, the we are calculating what the defective items, how many defective items we are getting, right? So mu is basically the multiplication of number of items into probability of the defects. So in order to calculate mu, you have to just multiply n into p. How to do? So 100 into 0.01. So mu value you will be getting it as how much? 1. So mean or the average of number of defective items, we got it as what? The 1. So we already got the values. Now we have to just substitute here. So they are asking the probability that exactly two items. This is the case for exactly two items are defective. So directly you have to put it as what? 2. There is no less than equal to or greater than some nothing. Just directly x value is equal to 2. So in place of x, what will happen? You have to substitute 2. So here x becomes 2. Just write it over here. So e power mu value is 1. So e power minus 1 into 1 power 2 divided by 2 factorial. So it is equal to e power minus 1 value is what? 0.3679 into 1 square is 1 itself. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, 2. So you'll be getting the answer as 0.184, right? So this is the answer for. So this is an important problem wherein we are converting the binomial distribution part into Poisson by using the multiplication of n into p in order to get the mean or the average mu.